What the? Yawning, an involuntary action that leaves many of us curious about its purpose. Surprisingly, science hasn't completely cracked the code yet, but there are some interesting theories. Traditionally, yawning was thought to increase oxygen intake. However, this idea lacks strong evidence. More plausible is the brain cooling hypothesis. As we yawn, our jaws stretch and the intake of cooler air circulates around the brain, helping to regulate its temperature. Another theory, social empathy, suggests yawning might be a form of nonverbal communication, helping to synchronize group behavior as it's contagious. Regardless of why we yawn, it's a natural response observed in humans and many animals alike, indicating that this simple action may have complex, multifaceted origins deeply rooted in evolution.